And welcome to this week's edition of The Fifth Element. And with me in the studio is a very special guest. He's the winner of our competition for the best fridge drawing of a house with a family walking out in front. We have here young sir. What's your name, young man?
Swivel.
Swivel. I see. And do you have a technical question for me, young Swivel, today?
Well, I've always wondered, how old is the Earth?
Well, as a matter of fact, it's 4.54 billion years old.
Really?
Indeed. Well,
Shocking.
and a billion is obviously 1,000 million. So, if you imagine how long you've been alive, how long have you been alive, young Swivel?
8 weeks. Very.
8 weeks in a day. So, the Earth's been around probably some trillion times longer than you have. How does that make you feel? Indeed.
Well, can you tell me something of the physical makeup of the Earth and actually where did all the matter come from? Because if there was nothing here before, then where did banana trees come from?
Well, have you seen those pretty pictures from the Hubble Space Telescope where these beautiful wisps of gas out in space? Well, we came from one of theirs, a huge wisp of gas called a nebula, approximately 5 billion miles across, slowly rotating and gradually condensed under electrostatic charges in its own weight to form an accretion disk, gradually compressed and spun out into a disk where various points accumulated into rocks and sand grains and they bang together, and eventually we have objects as large as the Earth and the Moon. And they're only made of the elements that were there in the cloud already. For example, oxygen, carbon, nitrogen.
What sort of iPhone have you got?
Well, I hardly consider that relevant to discussion, young man, you see.
Sorry,
Yes.
carry on, please.
Yes, so the original elements in the protoplanetary nebula condensed into the solar system we have today, where by far and away 99.9% plus
My
of
dad
all the matter.
thinks that you're gay and that he's having an affair.
Well, naturally, everybody's entitled to their particular sexual preference these days. It's all fine, but you're far too young to be introduced.
What's your favourite Star Wars?
Well, if push comes to shove, it's the Empire Strikes Back. You know, he introduced the amazing.
What about the X-Men?
Well, it's rather preposterous, but nonetheless, every
How many tunes do you download a week off our store?
I watched cinema, I must say, and while every movie requires elements of disbelief, I think the X-Men take
You're shot it. It's the birthday. It's the birthday.
We're going to party like it's the birthday.
It's the birthday.
right, back to the formation of the solar system.